Hello, I'm Dave Harris. You are looking at my 1964 Pontiac GTO. Widely considered to be the first true muscle car, with Pontiac and John DeLorean and the guys when they stuffed that big 389 engine into the mid-sized Tempest body and called it the GTO option. Well, they expected to sell 5,000 of these cars, but wind up selling 32,450. There are 18,422 hardtops, 7,384 coupes, and 6,644 convertibles. This one happens to be the Post Coupe. I've had this car for 10 years now. And I've restored it essentially back to stock. Painted it in the silver mist gray factory color that it was born with. This is a factory tri-power and factory 4-speed car. Had the original engine rebuilt, the 389. Carburetors rebuilt. Rochesters. What you see is essentially what you got in the engine bay back in the day. Except I have changed into a dual master brake cylinder setup. Even got the factory style battery there. Very bare bones car with manual steering, manual brakes, no air conditioning, but it's got what really matters, that 389 tri-power 4-speed configuration. It's got that Hurst shifter and the Muncie 4-speed transmission. These are Redline radials. Originally would have had bias plies, and I used to drive with bias plies, but thought the radials just drove a lot nicer and safer. Those are deluxe wheel discs that this car was born with, those wheel covers, although these I got later and found reconditioned ones. Let's get inside and start it up. Let me open the doors first so you can really see the inside. I got a spare tire with the jack and the stand. Got my car cover there. That's essentially what the trunk would looked like. Got to close that up. Take a few of these things out just so you can see the inside. Hurst was not identified on the shifter yet. Even though it's a mid-size, people look at it today and think that's a big car. We'll start it up. It's running. So there you have it, the 1964 Pontiac GTO. Post-coupe. I'm Dave. Thanks for watching.